Welcome to Narad's demo, a mobile push notifications SDK for Web3. As an app developer, I can go to this website to integrate Narad to my app. So let's get started. First, I'll have to request an API key. This has to be done manually. Secondly, let's register our app by filling this form. We need a few parameters. The first one is the API key, which I requested. The second one is the dApp name, which is a unique identifier for my dApp. A dApp package name, which I will use to create my Android application. Then notification configuration, which will describe what kind of notifications Narad has to subscribe to, and these type of blockchain events will then be sent as notifications to the users of your app. A lot of different blockchain events are covered. For now, I'm using the blockchain event transfer. The dApp has been registered. The next step is to set up the SDK in my app. Let's have a look at the docs and see how to do that. So first I need an Android app. Now I will create my Android application. I will use the same package name which I used to register that app. I'll follow the steps in the docs. I'll add the repository. In this case, I'll add it to my settings.gradle. I'll add the dependencies. This has to be done in the app level Gradle file. Now I can initialize Narad on my app. I'll follow the documentation, and after the initialization, when I run the app, I should be able to get a default view of a notification based on the notification configuration which I provided during the registration. I'll fill up these parameters. This includes the API key, the dApp name which I use to register the dApp, and the wallet address which I want this device to be associated with. So any blockchain activity of the type transfer for this particular wallet address will be sent to this particular device. So now let's run this app and see the notification. So now I have my Android app running on the left of the screen, and I'm going to transfer 0.01 Solana to the wallet associated with this device. And since this is an activity of the type transfer and this was set in my notification config for my dApp, this user should receive a notification. So the notification did arrive to the user. The first notification shows that it's a type transfer, and some details are given in the notification like the wallet ID and the amount transferred. A second notification is for a separate dApp which I had installed earlier, and it's not running right now, but that shows that even background apps will also send notifications. So now let's take a look at how I can customize this particular notification for my dApp. First step is to create a service. I'll add the service to my Android manifest. I will create a service. This service should extend Naarad messaging service as told by the docs. To send a custom notification, I have to override this method, which is called build notification. In this case, I will create a notification which has a specific icon which I want for my dApp. So I will change this builder object and I will set my custom icon, which will be called a rocket icon. Now I will create the rocket icon in my application, and now when I run the app and I receive a notification, I should be able to see this rocket icon in my notification. So now the app is running on the left side of the screen in the mobile window, and I will again send a small amount of a Solana to this particular wallet address so that I will receive the notification. So as you can see, the notification arrived and it was real time. The details of the transfer are present, and more importantly, we have a rocket icon present at the top left of the first notification beside sample app. So this is how I was able to customize my application. I can do all sorts of various customizations to my notifications. That includes performing different activities and actions on clicking the notifications, and the possibilities for creativity are endless. App developers can also send their own custom notification events using the Naarad server API to their users. These can be blockchain or non-blockchain events. This makes Naarad a complete notification suite for Web3.